Of course. Welcome from Indonesia. My name is Kasper, Director of International Admissions at Warsaw University of Business. We came across the ocean, across many countries to be here with NET in Indonesia, in Jakarta. Honestly speaking, yes, I do have a specific goal because Poland itself is a very virgin market in Indonesia. So my goal with NET24, it was to come here and not only promote my university itself, but also to get along with the local agents who might help me to start promoting education in Poland, because studies in Poland are great, but Indonesians, they don't know much about this country and about studies there. So thank you so much, Ned, that you brought us here. It was a great thing that you organized your first event in Indonesia. We really appreciate it, especially me. Yeah, so in terms of the place where we are, which is Indonesia, so as I said, the biggest challenge for us is the fact that Indonesians don't know much about Poland. Honestly speaking, except few famous names such as Lewandowski or Iga Świątek, people cannot recognize our country. And I have no why, but that's the reason I'm here, to explain everyone how great country for studies, how open country for all of the international students, especially the Indonesians. I mean, this is the place where everyone should come, and here with NET, we achieved this goal and we face this challenge.
Do you recommend
10 out of 10, 100%. I mean, starting from the beginning of the conference, of the presentation of the countries, explanation of all of the details related to the admission processes, living cost, all of the expenses, and other stuffs. Then through the panel section, where the agents got a direct contact with the educators, they could ask them questions and they received the very details, full of details answered. So, and then coming to the B2 meetings, I mean, like they gather best agents, I believe best of the best agents across the Indonesia. And we, as educators, we got opportunity to talk with all of them. That was a chance for us to have a contact, to establish some partnerships. And I believe that without NET24, we, as my university, because I speak only for my university, will not have such chance. So thank you so much, NET24. You are the best. East or West, again, you are the best.